I'm Dr. Laura Fink. I'm a veterinarian at Columbia Pike Animal Hospital and Emergency Center. I went to Ohio State for college, and I went to Ohio State for veterinary school as well. After that, I did a one-year rotating internship at a VCA veterinary care in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And then I joined Columbia Pike in 2011. Since then, I've been one of our general practitioners along with, working some emergency shifts. I also love ultrasound, and I coordinate our extern and intern program. So I'm one of those people that I've known I want to be a veterinarian since I was 5 years old. When I was growing up, I was doing surgery and bandaging broken legs on all of my stuffed animals. My dad's a human doctor, and from him I learned that I love medicine, but I also love animals, and this way I get to work with both of those interests. As much as I love animals, I think my favorite part of the job is actually the people. Our crew here at Columbia Pike is fantastic. I truly like my coworkers. They're always around if we have, if I have a question about anything. And then it's also really cool now that I've been a general practitioner for these 14 years. There are some animals that, I saw them for their puppy visit, and now I'm seeing them as a senior, and it's really cool to have known these patients for that long and have known these clients for that long and get to be part of that pet's life. So I love cooking. Not every day necessarily, but I kind of enjoy, making good meals. I love reading, and will generally have at least one book, if not two books, I'm reading through. I also like crafts, sewing, crocheting, some other things I'll dabble in. I can't say I'm good at crafts, but I love doing them. So a couple things I'm really passionate about. One is ultrasound. I love doing ultrasounds. I think it's a great diagnostic because you can learn so much from this one test that often gives you answers you can really do something about. In addition, I coordinate our Vet Ready program for veterinary school students and novice graduates. And they get to come in and kind of see what we're about, work with us, and we have a lot to offer here. And so I think it's a great way to kind of help those newer veterinarians and veterinary students see what general practice can be as they're starting their careers. I love that in veterinary medicine, every day is different. So I always come into work, I never know what my day is actually going to be like. Often there's some cute puppies, sometimes some itty-bitty little kittens with their little faces. I love tiny little kittens. And sometimes there's a pet with a major medical problem that then there's the medical puzzle of figuring out what's going on to see how we can help them. And I really enjoy figuring that out and then helping that animal too.